Hey, Sean, super quick run through of how to leave comments in Frame.io and approve videos if you get sent a link for comments or collaboration. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see the video in the main part of the window, and then just below that, you're going to see a little box that says leave your comment here, and on the right is a column that'll show any existing comments or any comments that you're about to make will be put there. And then at the very top right, you'll see a little box that says some sort of status, either needs review or approved. So when you start watching your video, just click play. And then if you see something that you like or dislike or need a change, if you just start typing, you'll see that this little box automatically populates with the time that you started typing, which automatically pauses the video. And so this is useful if you're doing interviews. If there's a soundbite that you like or a person on screen that needs to be changed, you can just say, take out this shot, or I don't like this part, or this part is fantastic, move this forward. And it'll automatically timestamp it so the editor can see exactly what you're talking about, instead of you having to say, hey, at 1 minute and 12 seconds, or the person in the orange hat. You don't have to do any of that. You can just say this here now, and it's going to be timestamped automatically. So the first time you leave a comment, you'll press send, and then it's going to ask you for your name, and it'll only do this once. And after you're logged in, you'll see that your comment appears on the right, and then the video keeps playing. And so as you continue to watch, you could start to say, this shot needs to be replaced. And if you leave this, it'll show over in the comments. The other thing you can do is say, remove this sound bite. And there's little brackets on either side of the dot here. And if you drag these around, you'll be able to select a whole range. And so you can put this at the start and finish of what you're talking about. If there's a whole section saying, take out this section of someone talking, you can highlight this whole range. And when you click send, you'll see that that whole range is reflected in the comment, and the editor will see it exactly like that. And the one other thing you can do is you could say, ooh, this needs to be taken out. And you can click the little paintbrush down here, and you can just draw on the frame. So let's say there was something in the frame you didn't want, a coffee cup, something was too light or too dark. You can circle something, and the editor will be able to see your circle left with your comment. And you can even change the color. And if you wanted to say, like this sky here is too bright, you could absolutely say those things, leave your comment, and those shapes, those illustrations are going to go along with the footage to the editor at exactly the right time. The last thing that's helpful for you to do is after you've seen a final draft or made your revisions, you can come up here to the status, drop this down and say approved or needs work or in progress. But when you've approved a video, you can drop that down and select approved, and then we'll all know, hey, we're good to go. So that's the quick run through of Frame.io. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to me if you're one of my clients. If you're not, you can reach out anyway. Thanks for watching. See you later.